without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget the yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid nang malaman ko na kayo na pala ng best friend ko. Nasasaktan ako, pinagkalat mo bang wala na tayo. Minsan lang ako magmahal ng tanga, pinagpalit mo pa sa buki ng ina. Hayop, mamatay ka na. Nilo